Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our next chapter of our grammar book, Noun. Students, before learning this chapter, I want to tell you that something about noun. By noun is that you call in Hindi sangya. Noun means names of anything. We can say names of anything like name of the river, name of the mountain, name of the person, name of the place. That means name of anything is called noun. Okay. Now nouns are of many types. First of all, in our book we are going to learn countable and uncountable noun. भाई आपको कुछ आइडिया नाम से भी हो गया होगा कि what do we call countable noun. भाई the things that we can count are called countable and the things that we cannot count are called uncountable. For example, chairs, iPods, phones, pen, pencil. These are the things that we can count and they are also called countable nouns. But sugar, rice, happiness, courage, these are the things that we cannot count. But sugar and rice, we can't count them. They are called uncountable nouns. And some abstract nouns that we have learned in our earlier classes also. What do we call abstract noun? The things that we can feel but cannot touch are called abstract noun. So abstract noun like happiness, joy, courage. Okay. So these are abstract nouns and they are also uncountable nouns. We will study further about abstract noun in the chapter. Now let's come to the next page. Here we can say these are all examples of countable and uncountable noun. When we will do the exercise, we will learn one by one. Okay, let's start with our exercise B. Circle the countable nouns and underline the uncountable nouns. That means we will study or we will read the passage. Then we will circle all the countable nouns and uncountable nouns, we will underline them. The English laboratory. Laboratory. भाई laboratories को हम count कर सकते हैं तो we will circle it. This is countable noun. Place. Place is also a countable noun. Furniture. Furniture is also countable noun. Okay. Audio visual equipment. Equipment is also are also countable noun. Information. Information is uncountable. That means we will underline this. Okay. Again, laboratory, CDs, audios, cassettes. These are all nouns and these are all countable nouns. That means we will circle all of them. CDs, audios, cassettes. Stationery also countable. Okay. Now let's come to the next passage. The instructor gives instructions and then lets the students work on their own. By students are countable noun. A student can record their own voice and then hear it again. Again student है तो जितनी बार भी ये words आते जाएंगे we will again and again will circle them. Okay. Now voice is also noun but voice is uncountable noun so we will circle it. Okay. Again we will do this helps them to analyze their mistakes. Mistakes are countable. We will circle it and make improvements. Okay, improvements are also circled. Sometimes the students are shown a film. Films are also countable. We can circle them, which is followed by an assignment. Assignment is also countable. Again, the shorter assignments are completed in the class. Class is also countable, where the longer ones are done at home during weekends or vacation. Weekends are also countable, but vacation uncountable. We will circle it. I hope this is clear to all. Now let's come to the exercise C. Complete these sentences with words from the box. भाई अब हमें बॉक्स में से जो वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं यानी कुछ नाउन्स दिए हुए हैं तो हमें उन नाउन्स की हेल्प से हमें ये सारे फिलअप्स फिल करने हैं. Mrs. Dev, children, I am planning a surprise party for Natasha. Will you help me plan the party? Now Mrs. Dev is planning a party. She asks help from the children. Anita. First of all, Anita says, Auntie, your strawberry cakes are delicious. Why don't you bake one? We all want to have at least two dash of it. But Anita says the idea to make strawberry cakes for uh, Natasha, and she also says happily that at least two dash of it. They all want two slices of it. भाई cakes के क्या होते हैं slices. Okay. For the drinks, I think a dash of juice or a dash of lemonade for each of us should be fine. For the drinks, now Ruth says कि if we talk about the drinks, I think a can of juice, by a can of juice or a glass of lemonade for each of us should be fine. Ruth gave the idea for the juice and lemonade. Mrs. Dev, boys, how about the return gifts? Now she asked about the return gifts. Rohan says, Auntie, I think a dash of chocolate. Each should be just fine. भाई chocolate की slice को क्या बोलते हैं? Bar of chocolate. Manan, I will help you to make the invitation cards. Now Manan offered to make invitation card. I'll need a few dash of colored paper and a few dash of bright colored paint. भाई यहाँ से देखते हैं colored paper के लिए क्या आना चाहिए? Sheets. Yes, of course. I will need a few sheets of colored paper and few pots, few pots of bright colored paint. Auntie, I'll make the sandwiches. Pallav says that she would make the sandwiches. I'll need two dash of bread and a large dash of jam. भाई sandwiches बनाने के लिए two loaves of bread. Bread के गट्ठे को क्या बोलते हैं? Loaves. वैसे loaf होता है इसका singular noun LOAF. This is plural because two loaves. Okay, two loaves of bread and a large dash of jam, large jar of jam. This is also completed. Nahi, Mrs. Dev, last point is left. Thank you, children. Now each one of you deserves a dash of hot chocolate and some cookies. Now Mrs. Dev thank the children and she says each one of you deserves. What did they deserve? We can find out here. Cup. Cup is left, na? Cup of hot chocolate and some cookies. Now come to the exercise D. Fill in the blanks with the correct noun from the box. By correct noun we will find out. Arm or arms. By countable or uncountable. दोनों के लिए use होता है. The school in the hills had extensive dash. The dash here is very hard and bare. By school in the hills. जो hills में school होते हैं उनका क्या होता है? Fun, spectacles, no. Ground. Had extensive grounds. The ground here is very hard and bare. That means here we will write ground and here we will write grounds. Okay. He hurt his dash while playing tennis at the club. भाई उसने अपने arm is given here. He hurt his arm. उसने अपने हाथ पर चोट लगवा ली. We must find out who is supplying arms to the group. भाई हमें पता चलाना पड़ेगा कि ग्रुप को arms कौन सप्लाई कर रहा है. The Republic Day parade is a grand dash. I kept losing my dash, so I have strung them around my neck now. But I kept losing my dash, so I have strung them around my neck now. मैं बार बार इनको खोता रहता हूँ इसलिए अपने गर्दन के चारों ओर लटका लेता हूँ. क्या लटका लेता है? Let's see. No, spectacle. Okay, here we should write spectacle. Okay, तो फर्स्ट वन में हमारा आएगा sorry. The Republic Day parade is a grand spectacle. Republic Day parade का जो देखने लायक सीन होता है. एंड आई केप्ट लूजिंग माई स्पेक्टिकल्स. मैं अपने चश्मे हर जगह रख के भूल जाता हूँ इसलिए मैं अपने गर्दन के चारों ओर लटका के रखता हूँ. यू मस्ट हैव एटलीस्ट टू हेल्पिंग्स ऑफ डैश टू स्टे हेल्दी. भाई यू मस्ट हैव एटलीस्ट टू हेल्पिंग्स. यू मस्ट हेल्पिंग्स के लिए फ्रूट. यस, fruit and fruits. So what should we write? You must have at least two helpings of fruit to stay healthy. भाई दो fruit daily खाने चाहिए. Helpings of fruit. And next is you must try and eat fruits that are in season. So here fruit and here fruits. Brush those dash off the sofa before you sit down. Brush कर दो सोफा पे से बैठने से पहले. I need to wash my dash almost every day in this weather. भाई I need to wash my dash almost every day in this. अब मुझे हर रोज धोना पड़ता है. तो let's see. I think here is correct. Okay. I think here should be correct. Yes. If here he have brush those hairs. Those लिखा है इधर. ठीक है ना. तो what should write? Hairs. Those are used for plural. तो brush those hairs off the sofa before you sit down. वहां से सारे hairs को off कर दो, हटा दो. I need to wash my hair almost every day in this weather. With her good, she will be a success on the screen. Take a dash at this letter and tell me if it is all right. Yes. भाई यहाँ सेंटेंस को समझना बहुत जरूरी होता है. विद हर डैश, भाई अपने अच्छे लुक से. विद हर गुड लुक्स शी विल बी अ सक्सेस ऑन द स्क्रीन. नेक्स्ट इज टेक अ लुक एट दिस लेटर. भाई इस लेटर पर एक ध्यान दें एंड टेल मी इफ इट इज ऑल राइट. नेक्स्ट इज मुशीर टॉक्स एंड बिहेव्स इन अ डैश दैट अनॉयज एवरीवन. भाई मुशीर इस तरीके से बात करता है और बिहेव करता है जिससे सब लोग गुस्सा हो जाते हैं, चिढ़ जाते हैं. एंड मंगत्स बैड डैश एंड बोरिश बिहेवियर पुट मी ऑफ. भाई बिहेवियर से रिलेटेड व्हाट शुड बी हेयर? यस, मैनर और मैनर्स. ओके. तो वी कैन राइट Mushir talks and behaves in a manner. In a is written here. That means manner that annoys everyone. And Mangat's bad manners and boorish behavior put me off. Can you lend me rupees 500? भाई तुम मुझे 500 rupees lend कर सकते हो? I'm a little short of dash. That group is collecting money for the cyclone relief dash. जहाँ money से related fund is given. Fund or funds. Let's see. Can you lend me 500 rupees? I'm a little short of fund. जो मैं फंड इकट्ठा कर रहा हूँ उसमें थोड़ा सी कमी है. And that group is collecting money for the cyclone relief fund. Fund here and funds here. The dash of these books are listed on page 2. The dash of this book are listed on page 2. And Ursula did not like the dash of the article. तो book article इनसे related what should is given? People, spectacle, fruits, manner, content. Yes, content. Okay. The content of these books are listed on page 2. Usha did not like the contents of the article. ठीक है. तो contents कहाँ आना चाहिए? कंटेंट कहाँ है भाई? इस बुक के contents कहाँ है पेज 2 पे? The contents. और उर्सुला को डिड नॉट लाइक द कंटेंट ऑफ द आर्टिकल. भाई एक आर्टिकल के कंटेंट को अच्छा नहीं लगा. तो कंटेंट्स ऑफ द बुक यहाँ और कंटेंट हेयर. रमेश वॉज इन हाई डैश आफ्टर ही वॉन द मैच. वही मैच से रिलेटेड वो हाई क्या था? दिस फोर्ट इज हॉन्टेड बाय द डैश ऑफ ए मैन हु डाइड एट इट्स गेट. भाई ये जो दिस फोर्ट, ये जो फोर्ट है, ऐसा लगता है यहाँ पे एक आदमी घूमता रहता है. हॉन्टेड हु डाइड एट इट्स गेट, जो गेट पर मर गया था. तो भाई गेट से हमें क्या आना चाहिए? स्पिरिट. यस, स्पिरिट एंड स्पिरिट्स. ओके. भूत प्रेत के सिविल. रमेश वॉज इन हाई स्पिरिट. हाई स्पिरिट्स. रमेश वॉज इन हाई स्पिरिट्स आफ्टर ही वोन द मैच. भाई मैच जीतने के बाद उसके स्पिरिट्स बहुत हाई थे. एंड दिस फोर्स इज हॉन्टेड बाय द स्पिरिट ऑफ ए मैन. ऐसा लगता है एक आदमी की आत्मा घूम रही है उधर. नेक्स्ट इज द डैश ऑफ द वर्ल्ड गॉट टुगेदर एंड क्रिएटेड द यूएन. द डैश ऑफ द नेशन प्रोटेस्टेड अगेंस्ट द वॉर. नाउ व्हाट शुड वी राइट? लेट्स फाइंड आउट फॉर दिस. भाई वर्ल्ड से रिलेटेड तो व्हाट शुड इज गिवन. हम पीछे काफी चले गए हैं. पीपल. वेरी गुड. वी हैव फाउंड. ओके. द पीपल्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड गॉट टुगेदर एंड क्रिएटेड द यूएन. पूरे वर्ल्ड के लोग जब इकट्ठा हो गए तो उन्होंने यूएन क्रिएट किया. एंड द पीपल ऑफ द नेशन प्रोटेस्टेड अगेंस्ट द वॉर. Jane was stopped at dash and questioned. It's a dash in our house to pray together before we eat. By custom is left. I have seen there. So it is a custom in our house to pray together before we eat. Jane was stopped at customs and questioned. So today it is all about next topic we will discuss in the next video. Have a nice day.